Friends, today we will complete the lesson. Uh, the author asked the question to a group of young men. Why not organize yourself into a cooperative? I asked a group of young men. The author had seen the poor condition of the families. The condition of children was not so good, and even the condition of young men was not so good. They were working hard, they were not getting good salary, their lives were full of risk. They should do something, and that's why the author asked a group of young men. According to author, they should make a cooperative, they should make a union or big unity, and they should fight against the system. Why not organize yourself into a cooperative? I asked a group of young men. I means the author. Author asked this question to a group of young men. Now what is the answer of the young men? Even if we get organized, actually the young men were not ready to make a group, make a unity, union. Why? What was their logic? They said that even if we get organized, even if we make a union, then what will happen? We are the ones who will be hauled by the police, beaten and dragged to jail for doing something illegal, they say. Police will beat them, police will take them in jail. And policemen, they will put a charge of something illegal. Actually, this activity is not illegal thing. Policemen should give support to them. Government should give support to them. But here we can see the harsh reality. Even policemen were not in the favor of such people, such poor people. Government people were also not in the favor of such people. Actually, a child should not work in the factory. Why? Because it is against the law. It is a crime. But policemen were doing nothing. And now the author could see two worlds here. The world in one world was the world of poor people, in which there were some Bengal makers. Another world was the world of middlemen, rich men, government officer, etc. Now let us see here the difference. The author is telling, I see two distinct worlds. One of the family caught in a web of poverty. The author could see two different worlds. One world was the world of those people who were very, very poor. Poverty means poorness. One world was the world of those people who were fallen in the web of poorness. They were born poor, their fathers were poor, their forefathers were poor, burdened by the stigma of caste, and they born in such family. They born in the family of Bengal makers. Their fathers were Bengal makers, their forefathers were Bengal makers. So they born in such family. So they had a kind of this type of stigma. Stigma means reputation, bad reputation. They were reputed for that. All yeah, we can say other people were knowing them as Bengal makers. Their reputation was like that because they born in such caste, such family of caste in which they are born the other, they are born. Okay, so this is about one world. In other words, we can say that it was their destiny, their bad luck, because they born in such poor family of Bengal makers. So this is one. This is one world. Now let us see about the other world. The other, a vicious circle. Vicious means evil, bad. In the other world, it was a circle of the Sahukars, the middlemen, the policemen, the keepers of law, the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats means government officers, and the politician. All these people, they had not the feeling to understand the poor people, the poor Bengal makers. They were not able to understand the poor people. Who were such people? Middlemen, policemen, keepers of law, means advocates, we can say, the bureaucrats and the politician. So, one world, in short, you can say one world is the world of poor people. In the category of poor people, you can put Bengal makers. Other world was the world of middlemen and rich people. In such category, you can put bureaucrats, sahukars, etc. I want to be a motor mechanic. He repeats. Mukesh wanted to be a motor mechanic. He did not want to continue their family profession of Bengal making. He wanted to do something new. He will go to a garage. He means Mukesh. Mukesh will go to a garage and learn. What learn? He will learn about cars. But the garage is a long way from his home. Garage was not very near, but it was very far away from his home. But it was the firm determination of Mukesh. Mukesh, and anyhow he wanted to be a motor mechanic, and that's why Mukesh said, "I will walk." He insists. Mukesh said that okay, then I will walk and I will go to that place, to the garage. Do you also dream of flying a plane? This is the question asked by the author. But Mukesh did not want to be a pilot. That's why he said no. He says Mukesh was not interested in planes, in flying planes. He is content. Content means satisfied to dream of cars that states of his. He is content to dream of cars that he sees hurtling down the streets of his town. Mukesh had seen so many cars wandering in the streets of his town, and Mukesh was satisfied only as a motor mechanic. He was not interested in planes. He did not want to be a pilot. Few airplanes fly over Firozabad. Firozabad is a place where Mukesh was living. And in Firozabad, Mukesh had seen so many cars in the streets, but he had not seen so many planes flying over Firozabad. There were a few planes flying over Firozabad. So friends, this is about part 5. I hope you understand this lesson properly. Thank you.